IELTS vocabulary, understanding and using agglomerate. Imagine a bustling city growing larger and more complex as smaller towns merge into its expanding borders. This process of combining and growing is exactly what our word of the day, agglomerate, describes. Welcome to this advanced IELTS vocabulary lesson where we'll explore this versatile and sophisticated term. Word type. Agglomerate can function as a verb, noun, or adjective, making it a highly versatile word for your IELTS toolkit. Meaning, as a verb, agglomerate means to collect or form into a mass or group. As a noun, it refers to a jumbled mass or collection of distinct elements. When used as an adjective, it describes something formed by agglomeration. Word history. The term agglomerate has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word agglomeratus, which is the past participle of agglomerare, meaning to wind or add onto a ball. This Latin word is formed from add, meaning to or toward, and glomerar, meaning to form into a ball. Antonyms. Some antonyms for agglomerate include disperse, scatter, separate, and disband. These words represent the opposite action of bringing things together. Synonyms. Synonyms for agglomerate include cluster, gather, accumulate, amass, and conglomerate. These words all convey the idea of bringing elements together into a larger whole. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use agglomerate in different contexts. As a verb, the small tech startups began to agglomerate around the university, forming a new innovation hub. As a noun, the agglomerate of international cuisines in the food court reflected the city's diverse population. As an adjective, the agglomerate rock formation provided geologists with valuable insights into the area's volcanic history. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing agglomerate with aggregate. While both involve combining things, agglomerate suggests a more random or haphazard combination, while aggregate implies a more purposeful collection. Another error is mispronunciation. Remember, the stress is on the second syllable, glom, ate. To truly master this word for your IELTS exam, practice using it in various forms. Describe how ideas agglomerate in your mind during brainstorming sessions, or how an agglomerate of experiences shapes a person's worldview. By incorporating agglomerate into your active vocabulary, you'll demonstrate the sophisticated language use expected at band score 8.0 and above.